All right, I think we've got some pretty exciting Huberta news. You want to tell them or do you want me to? Okay, I'll tell them. I think, and I'm not a squirrel expert, I do not even play one on YouTube, but I'm pretty sure, there you go, I'm pretty sure someone had babies. Oh, let's see, we can't really see from this angle. Hubert, did you have babies? Hey, sweetheart. Sweetheart, here, there you go. Did you have babies? I thought I saw a little more nipple action than usual. I mean, I don't know how to say that, but yeah, hi, there you go. Good girl. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Good girl. Good girl. You gonna bring your kittens over? Here. You're such a sweetheart. You're such a sweetheart.